welcome back to Mrs. Suave. My name is Nika, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my lip gloss. So I'm going to get into the products in just a moment, but before I start making my lip glosses, I normally like to prep. So as you know, I have dreads, and I'm sure some of y'all have hair as well, and if you don't, then that's okay. So I normally like to just put my hair back because I don't want no hair getting into any of the glosses. Okay, yeah, so I put my hair up, and I like to use a face mask while I'm making my products because I don't know, I just feel like it's sanitary. And last but not least, gloves. Gotta have gloves because just want to be germ free, especially with everything going on in the world. It was supposed to pop. I guess these ain't the ones that pop because it's supposed to make that popping noise. Can you guys? I'm like, I'm not making lip gloss yet. Why am I wearing this mask? All right, okay. I thought I had like less fingers than I need to. So we need to have our gloves. I normally like to have my gloves, my face mask, hair pulled back, and sleeves rolled up because it's gonna get messy. It's gonna get real messy. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all the products that I'm gonna be using. The first product that I will be using is castor oil. It retains moisture and heals chapped and dry skin. I'll also be using grapeseed oil, which protects against free radicals and UV rays. Next, we'll be using fractionated coconut oil, provides ultimate moisture and protects lips from aging. And hemp seed oil, which is a great moisturizer as well. And we'll also be using vitamin E oil, which protects against free radicals and moisturizes and heals lips from any dark spots or chaps. Now, using these droppers, these are vegan pigment dyes. You can purchase them at TKB Trading. I'll put their website in the description down below. So I'm starting off with my first lip gloss base, which is the Top Shine. It's a very light lip gloss, and I'm just gonna get my pipette and syringe ready by just cutting up the pipette and taping it to the syringe. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bowl ready. I normally like to use paper bowls because they're disposable. Making lip gloss can get extremely sticky and messy, and you'll be scrubbing the dishes for days if you use a regular bowl. So I don't have a great experience with that. So I just use these little paper bowls, and I'm just gonna prep that bowl with the base as well as the other oils and ingredients for my lip gloss. gloss, I might name it Beautiful Disaster because I did not expect it to come out this color. I tried to mix it with other colors to see if I could lighten it a little bit, but the only color I would need is white, and I don't have that. So I might just stick to Beautiful Disaster or something amongst that name. But yes. Okay, so we're gonna put this lip gloss to the side, and I'm gonna start working on the next lip gloss that I'm making. I think I might put like some lavender on this one. You know, I'm planning on adding some lavender flowers and making this a lighter tint. So for this gloss, I'll definitely be using coconut oil as well as the lighter oils. I have sweet almond oil and a little bit of vitamin E oil as well, and a very, very light pigmented color, maybe 1 or 2 drops. And we'll also be adding the lavender essential oil as well. Mixing this smelled so good and amazing. Like, lavender is a very good essential oil to put on your lips. Not only does it enhance your mood, but it also alleviates you from chapped lips or any pain that you're dealing with due to chapped or dry lips. This gloss has a very light consistency. This is more like lip glaze more so than lip gloss to me. This is where it gets messy. Whatever you do, don't panic. You want to make sure you pour as much gloss as you can into the syringe. I always have trouble with the syringe. I don't know why, it's not my friend, but I somehow still manage. So I didn't cut the tip of the syringe because I still want to be able to control the amount of gloss that's going into the tube. Less gloss comes out when the syringe is that small. There's a pro and a con to that. So the pro is that you are in control with how much gloss you can fill in per tube, but the con is the gloss comes out extremely slow. One of the lavender buds was stuck at the end of the pipette, causing the gloss to be backed up so it wasn't flowing. I ended up having to cut the end of the pipette to have the gloss flow in more smoothly.